Hey everybody, today we are at Glass Restaurant inside the Ledges Hotel here in Hawley, Pennsylvania.
Glass Wine Bar and Bistro. Is that what you said?
Yeah,
Okay, that's where we are.
and give them a little bit of history about this place.
Okay, this place is made of Pennsylvania Bluestone. The late 1890s it was built. Originally it was a glass factory, so the homage to the glass factory is that we're at the Glass Wine Bar and Bistro.
And tonight's Sushi Night, so we're taking you along, so bring your smell-o-vision, let's go. So when you come here, if you want to go to the hotel, you go right, and you want to go to the glass bar, you go down. And this, my friends, is the reason why people book here, is because of the falls. Look at how elegant that is. We're gonna try to get you a better view once we get inside. So wild. How pretty. Look at how pretty it is in here. What an eclectic bar. How nice. They're having a private event out there in the front, which I thought's pretty cool. Look at this fish tank.
Beautiful.
All right, guys, here's your view. This is why people come here. Look at the beautiful falls all the way up, and the decks are everywhere. This is where Junior and Shelby got engaged, and we were right up there on the ledge watching it all happen. And there's a lot of people here too for Sushi Night, so I'm pretty impressed. I'm ready to go eat. Mr. Murphy's drink of the day has arrived. What do you got there, buddy?
This is a special sake martini for Sushi Night
Okay.
here at the Glass Bar
All right.
and Bistro.
Looks good. Be honest.
It's sweet. I usually like a dry martini, but they added some cherry syrup to it
Cool.
to make it look like the sakura in Japan
Cool.
that are blooming right now.
Nice. So I've been told I'm not allowed to read the facts on a beer before I open it, that I have to do initial reactions. So this is the Broken Trails Hazy IPA non-alcoholic. And I'm gonna cheat here a little bit. 0.5% or 0.05% alcohol, as they say. I'm gonna pour that. Am I doing it right? Yeah? Alright. So it's pretty clear, eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Smells citrus. It's not really bitter. I think it's really clean, real smooth. Better than last night's. We did yesterday's episode. So we're gonna turn the camera on and let you see what he thinks. You forgot to smell it, but that's okay.
I like that. It's brewed in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, and yeah, it's on the hoppy side, but not quite an IPA.
Nice. Dinner has arrived.
Oh my God!
We've got
Look
the
at
charred
that stuff.
edamame. This is the charred edamame. We've got some miso soup. Look at that tofu. Karaage oysters. And some sushi rolls.
Roll. Godzilla roll. A little soy sauce, a little wasabi for your tongue.
Yeah. This is really good.
Ooh, real miso soup, huh?
Yeah. Do you like tofu or no?
Go ahead. Was that a little crab?
What?
Was that a little crabby?
Yeah.
All right. Soup tastes like authentic.
Just as good as Japan. For a minute there, I thought you were going to slurp it.
I was going to take a swig.
I dare you. How's that for ASMR?
Very nice.
What you got there? Was that a wine flight?
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Rosé, Pinot Noir, Pinot Grigio.
nice.
So these are karaage
Oysters.
oysters. They got the crispy going on over there.
Oh, yeah.
And they put a little takoyaki topping. I got this one with a little spicy mayo, a little eel sauce. Yeah.
I can't just steal this without showing this to you guys. It's so pretty. Dip it. There.
It's like a giant California roll right there. Funny you were able to get the whole thing in your mouth. Oh, I'm sorry, you have a big mouth, don't you? I'm gonna dress it up. Dress it up with a little wasabi there. Godzilla roll, spicy tempura, spicy tuna inside.
Somebody's MIA. Look what I got. 2 mini cannolis. So excited. Gotta wait for him to come back though before we do a taste test. What do you got there, Glenn?
I think I got my favorite Italian dessert.
Cannolis, look at that.
Real mini cannolis.
You gonna take a bite or what?
Oh, my turn? Nom nom.
How is it?
Delicious.
All right, guys. Looks good, doesn't it? Almost like my mother's.
I have to give them a 10 out of 10. They don't
Definitely.
serve sushi here every night.
Nope.
But when they do have sushi night, it's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
We,
This is the second time we've come here for international night.
the last time I can't even remember when, but we loved every single
We
dish.
did.
And we can't wait to come back again for the next Japanese sushi night.
So if you're in the area, please come to the Glass Bar here in Hawley, Pennsylvania. And when you do, tell them we sent you. See you in the next one.